Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you today. Let's dive in and show you what I got. Alright, so I'm going to start with these cups. I don't know if my Dollar Tree was just late to the game. Just maybe the box got lost in the back or something, but they just put these out. So the good thing is I have the full collection of this. The plates, I actually have the plates, the bowls. Anyway, I said I love Fall Most Fall. I love this cup. This is really cute. And then the Gather one. I also picked up a couple of these. I've been doing, since I moved into my new apartment, that's a lot bigger than my old apartment. I've been doing quite a bit of hosting. It's kind of something that I love doing, but I haven't been able to do in the last 6 years because my apartment before was really super small and I wasn't able to do it. So I've been hosting quite a bit. So I thought these were really, really cute little trays. I saw somebody haul them and I was like, oh, I really would like to find those. So I'm really excited that I have them. So I've got 2 of them. It seems like most of them are getting them in. So really cute. I'm kind of thinking the whole like candlestick in the middle kind of thing to make it like a 2-tiered. Wondering if that would work. But anyway, I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. Let's see. I finally found these, what are they called? What are they calling these? They're just calling them decor. They're like the galvanized words. Peace, joy, believe. I think they had these last year and I just never, none of my Dollar Trees ever had them, or at least I missed them if they did. And I just happened to walk into one and found them, so I picked up 2 of them. I actually have plans for one of the believes already. So that's going to go on a wreath that I had made. That is that. And then I found this cute little farm fresh Christmas tree sign. And then of course I had to get the red truck one, dashing through the snow, little things. Now of course I saw the hand towel. Did I pick it up? Nope. Am I kicking myself for it? Yep. Yeah. So I just, at the time I kind of had, I was just ran in there to get one thing and then I was going to run out and then I saw them and I was like, oh, I should pick one up, and I didn't because I was like, yeah, mad at myself for not doing it. Now I probably will never see them ever again in my life. And then I also got this little basket box thing, fresh Christmas trees. It matches, I feel like it matches that pretty good. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this, but yeah, pick that up for $1. Let's see, other baskets that I got. So I got a couple of other baskets, and I also got these really cool solar decor lights. Now, I don't know if I've ever seen these at Dollar Tree before. I kind of feeling like I have seen them before, but I probably just never picked them up because I didn't really have a patio before to hang them up on. But now I have a porch and a patio. Like I have a patio. No, I have a porch that has a patio above me. So I have like some area that I can hang up this kind of stuff. So no idea if they're going to work. They're solar, obviously. So during the day, they will, that's interesting. It looks like, oh, interesting. There's an on button inside. Oh, huh. I didn't realize that. I think these will be super cool outside my house. Really excited about that. And then I bought these little cute little fox socks. When I came home, I'm like, I already have these socks. So now I have 2 of them. And then I bought these little buckets. One that says Merry Christmas. One that says Believe in the Magic of Christmas. Again, no idea what I'm going to do with them, but they're super cute. Well, right now I'm going to store my lights in them. And then I also picked up a couple of these LED. Yep, they all work. Yeah, so I got these because, first of all, I like the red color for Christmas. And because I have my Halloween setup right now, and I just feel like I don't have enough candles, like electric candles. I'm a little bit afraid to light actual candles because I do have a cat, and sometimes he does jump on it. He doesn't do it very often, but I'm just afraid that one time I light the candle, he'll jump on it. So I'm afraid to light like real candles unless it's in an area that like I know he won't get to. But so yeah, I thought, you know what, for Christmas I want to have some more electric candles to light around the house. That's why I picked up those. Picked up this tray, little tray with Santa on it. I think he's really cute. I have the one that is for the Halloween. I think it's got spiders on it or something like that. And I've used it quite often in my hosting of people over. So I thought I'd get the Christmas tree one. And then I did also pick up a set of these little condiment containers. My son took a bunch for his airbrushing he's doing on his models. So I had to pick up more. I also bought my favorite gum. I did go ahead and pick up a couple more trees because if you my last video I showed that I picked up a couple, and I just figured I'd probably get a couple more because I do signs at Christmas time for my work. So I thought I wanted to add a couple of these into the mix of those signs. So I picked up 2 more of those. The very, very last thing that I'm going to talk about is Christmas wrapping. Now, there is a problem that I have with Christmas wrapping. I have way too many bags, and I have way too many rolls of gift wrapping paper. Does that stop me from buying more? Apparently not. So, yeah. I mean, look how stinking cute this bag is. And it's $1. And it has like stitching in it. I don't know if it's faux stitching, but it has like stitching around the tree, just like in this picture. And it says select your own trees. And this is pop-up. I don't like the white. That's kind of throwing me off a little bit. I'm not really a fan of the white, but the bag is really cute. And then look at this one. I mean, come on. Old-fashioned candy canes. And this is pop-up. Hand-twisted, Santa-approved, homemade. I mean, come on. That is adorable. And then this one. Reindeer sleigh rides. North Pole Reindeer Company, Hot Cocoa and Carolers. I just think these are darling. And I'm actually thinking about framing these 2. Wrapping paper. I did buy wrapping paper. I mean, I had to buy the truck wrapping paper with the tree in it. Now, granted, it's not the best. I'm gonna be honest. The truck is kind of cute, but the tree inside, it's kind of blah. But it's like turquoise, like a teal turquoise color. I mean, I had to get this one. Ooh, hello. Sorry. The thing is, it's pretty, it's 40 square feet, which means it's pretty, and it's short. Like this, the Santa Claus one is, hold on. The Santa Claus one, if I put it up against the edge, it's that much more longer. But the Santa Claus ones only have 30 square feet. But the reason I like to get these longer ones, and then this one has a little Santa Claus with the toys. I just think it's really cute, and I love the green background and then the white, like snowy field that he's standing on. I just could not resist. I had to get this one. It's so funny because last year I was so anti-Santa Claus. Like I didn't want anything Santa Claus. So weird. And this year I'm like so into the Santa Claus images. I don't know why. But yeah, so this one has, it's really hard to see. This one has really cute little images of Santa. Look how cute that one is. And he's like reading the list. And then this one he's with his little reindeer. And this one he's playing with the choo-choo train. And then this one he's got the big bag of toys, and the reindeer is helping him heave it into the chimney. It's super cute. So yeah, so these two are the longer ones, and these are Hallmark. I did not even realize that until just the second. These are all Hallmark. I mean, again, you're not getting as much as you would at like a Hallmark store or something like that. Like you're not getting as much paper, but comparatively speaking, I'd rather have 7 different varieties of paper than one big roll. I like to have variety. I like to like mix it up and have different varieties of paper. So for me, the smaller rolls for $1, especially if it's Hallmark, it's got the cut lines. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. All right, so that was it, guys. That was everything that I had for my Dollar Tree this week. This is actually this week and last week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Oh, wait, I wanted to also show you real quick what I got at Target Dollar Spot. Just super fast. I only got like 4 things. I got these cute little ticket washi. It's like, I think it's washi. Let me open it. Oh, it is just tickets. Oh, cool. I thought it was washi tape, but I'm actually glad it's not washi tape. So it's carnival tickets. There's 36 of them in here, and they're like this really cool orange, pumpkin orange color. And I thought these would be great in my Cheaply Chic junk journal, the Give Thanks one that I've been working on. So yeah, I'm really excited about those. I like those. Those are cool. I hope they come out with these in for Christmas too. And then I bought a couple of these monogrammed wood letters, and they're the pumpkin. They're obviously for like Halloween or Thanksgiving. But I actually was able to find the word joy. So yeah, I found all the words for joy, and they were only $1 a piece. So I thought those were that's really cool. I have, again, no idea what I'm going to do with it, but actually my son ended up buying these for me because I'm like, I really want these. Will you buy them for me? He's like, sure, Mom. He's so sweet. Because I didn't want to go up to the register and he was buying something. So he's like, I'll just buy them for you. I'm like, thanks, honey. All right, so that is all for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.